You know that Tuesday afternoon you blocked off for lead gen? The one where you said you would pull over 100 names off LinkedIn, find their emails, write a one-line note about them. 3 hours minimum. Today, I'm going to be doing the same job in less than 15 minutes. Hi, I'm Abby. I'm your AI automation specialist that helps your business generate more revenue while improving efficiency. Let's go. If you run a business and lead generation is on your to do list every single week, this is for you. Coach, consultant, agency owners, freelancers, doesn't really matter. The thing I'm about to show you is one of the 4 use cases I will walk through in my LinkedIn live session on July 16th. 3 ways most people try to do this today. One, they open Sales Navigator and scroll. That's about 2 to 3 hours for about 100 leads if they are fast. Plus, the Sales Navigator subscription isn't cheap. Two, they pay for Apollo or Hunter. They get a list of names, but they still have to qualify each one of them and they still end up spending hours. Three, they ask ChatGPT for ideas. ChatGPT gives them a thoughtful answer about target market positioning, but it doesn't give them a spreadsheet of 100 actual humans that they can email either today or tomorrow. Today, I'm doing the same job in 8 minutes, and Claude is actually doing the pulling while I am just watching. The difference between these three approaches and what I'm about to show you is that those three give you information. What I'm doing gives me a work product, a spreadsheet I can work on. To get the leads I want to generate, I'm going to be using Claude Cowork. I already have quite a number of videos where I've shown you some of the things that you can use Claude Cowork for as a business owner. But in this case, we're going to be using it for lead gen. And here is the brief I'm giving Claude Cowork. I'm telling Cowork to find me 20 marketing agencies in London with 5 to 20 employees. I need the founders' details, their name, their phone number, their address, their personal work email address, their LinkedIn profile, and something personalized or unique about each one of them that I would be able to reference in a LinkedIn connection request. Now, I'm just going to send this across. I want to actually use another model, which is Sonnet this time around because Opus is just too high for this. I'm going to click on send now, and that's the job. So I'm using Claude Cowork on my laptop. I'm not using Claude on the web. So that's basically what we're using. So let's just follow on as it does the work. So at times it has its ways. Imagine it asking me my first name when it already knows the name. So we can see the different things it's going to be doing for us on the right panel here. So you can see it's going to find the leads, it's going to research the founder's name, it's going to write personalized LinkedIn connection requests for each of them, and it's going to place them in a spreadsheet. And that's basically what it's doing right now. It's searching the web, looking for the things it needs, and I don't have to do anything about it. So now it has a solid list of agencies that it wants to work with. So the next thing it's going to be doing is running agents to get more details about the founders of those agencies. And something else I was going to mention is that as it carries out each of the tasks, it's going to be crossing out this different task here. So once it completes it, it crosses it out and then on to the next one till it finishes all the tasks. So our prospect list is ready. 20 London marketing agency founders all in a formatted spreadsheet. And that's what you can see here. You can also see what it has included. So let me just open it up so that you can see. So you can see everything, including their LinkedIn details. So if I click on this and let me say I just okay, let me expand this or tell it to, where is that stuff where we wrap. Okay, so you can see their work email addresses, their LinkedIn profile, their notable achievements, and then the personalized LinkedIn connection request that we will be sending to each one of them. And you can see we have the 20 that we've requested for. And it will do the same thing if we ask for 50, if we ask for 100, we will get the same results every single time. This is one of the 4 use cases I will walk through in my LinkedIn live session on July 16th. Same energy, same speed, different jobs. If you want the invite, the link is in the description. You've seen 100 posts about the perfect ChatGPT prompt for lead generation, yeah? But here is the difference. A prompt asks Claude to think, while a skill makes Claude do. So what you've just watched is not a prompt, it's a skill, a small bundle of instructions plus the scripts that run the work. So Claude reads the instruction, runs the script, and then produces the spreadsheet. So, this is what people mean when they say give AI a job. You don't sit there typing back and forth. You give it the brief, it executes, you get a delivery. So, once you've built one of this, you don't need to write the prompt again. You just say what you want it to do. Claude goes to fetch the skill that does the job, and then you move on. Claude knows automatically. The reason I can do lead gen in less than 15 minutes is because I am not starting from scratch every single time. The skill I have built exists and it runs. On July 16th, I'm going to be holding a LinkedIn live session for 45 minutes. 4 use cases. This is one of them. And then there are 3 more. Each registrant will also get a free skill I have built. It's the one that gets your business showing up when people ask ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity for recommendations in your niche. The link is in the description. So see you on the 16th. If you're watching and you want me to build this exact flow for your business and you want to get this kind of outcome, the link to book a free call with me is also in the description. If you like this video and you want to see many more of my videos, just click subscribe and watch out for my videos every week. See you in the next one.